Okay, this anchor is algebraic concepts. There's going to be 7 lessons. The first lesson is writing equations from word problems. The objective is you're going to be given a situation and you will be able to write an algebraic equation to represent the situation to 100% accuracy. Okay, the first example, a cardboard box with 15 equal size apples. As we go along, I'm going to be underlining key numbers that we need to use. 15 equal sized apples weighs 14.3 pounds. The box weighs 1.3 pounds when empty. Using A to represent the weight of one apple, write an equation to represent the situation. Okay, so what you have here is you have a box with apples in it, and it gives us the total weight. Okay, so there are 2 things we're going to be adding together. We're going to have the apples weight, and you want to be filling this out with me. Okay, in addition to the apples, the box also weighs something. So plus the box weight. Okay, and altogether that equals the total weight. The apples plus the box is the total weight. Okay, now looking at the problem, we do know the box weight. Right here it says a cardboard box with 15 equal size apples weighs 14.3 pounds. The box weighs 1.3 pounds. Right there it says the box, just with nothing in it, is 1.3 pounds. So we're going to put the 1.3 right there. Okay, now the apple's weight, we don't know how much one apple weighs. All that we're saying is that one apple weighs something. We're going to call that letter A. And there are 15 apples in the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 15 apples times however much one weighs, okay? And that will give us the total apple weight. Okay, so we're going to add the apple weight to the box weight, and that will give us the total weight. Now, in the problem, it tells us what the total weight is. Right here it says a cardboard box with the apples weighs 14.3 pounds. Right there, that is the total weight. Okay, so you're going to write that right there. Okay, so that is all the problem wants you to do, is just write the equation. So the 15a plus 1.3 equals 14.3 is the equation answer. Okay, example 2. We're going to take another cardboard box. This time, instead of apples, it's going to have 9 packages of staples in it. Okay, and that weighs 6.5 pounds. Okay, and keep in mind that 6.5 pounds is the cardboard box and the staples, so that's the total weight. The box itself weighs 2 pounds when empty. Using this time X to represent the weight of one package of staples, write an equation to represent the situation. Okay, it's going to be the same type of thing again. We're going to have the weight of the staples, or the staples weight, okay? So you have the staples, you also have the box weighs something, the box weight, okay? And that's going to equal the total weight. The total weight is both the staples and the box added together. Okay, now it doesn't matter what order you fill in what you know. A cardboard box with 9 packages of staples. Okay, so we know that we have 9 packages of staples. Each staple box, or each staple package, weighs X. They don't give us the weight of just one of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 9 packages of staples, multiply it by X, which is how much one box of staples weighs, and multiply them together. So 9 times X represents the staples weight. Okay, and to that we're going to add the box weight when it's empty. If you read the problem, that was right here. The box weighs 2 pounds when empty. So to that, we're going to add 2 pounds. Altogether, the staples weight plus the box weight gives us right here is the total weight, which is 6.5. Okay, so that is your answer. 9x plus 2 equals 6.5. You could go on and solve for x, but this is all the problem is asking for, is to just write the equation. Okay, now at this point, I think it would be a good idea to hit pause, and I want you to try example 3 yourself. Okay, when you think you have an answer, push play again. Okay, example 3 reads, a cardboard box with 25 of the same types of calculators weighs 26.8 pounds. The box itself weighs 2.6 pounds when empty. This time you're using C to represent the weight of one calculator. Write an equation to represent the situation. Okay, so just like before, you are taking the calculators. I'm going to just abbreviate that as the calcs, plus the box weight. That should be calcs weight. Okay, so the calcs weight plus the box weight equals the total weight. Okay, the calculators, there are 25 calculators in the box. Each calculator weighs C, so you take 25 calculators times C, which is the weight of one calculator. To that, you add the box weight, which is 2.6. Okay, and that gives you the total weight of the calcs and the box, which is right here, 26.8 pounds. Okay, so that concludes the lesson for writing equations from word problems. If you don't feel confident with this, I would rewatch the video again. If you feel good about it, then you may go on to the next lesson.